Cup of lemon poppy seed cake. Make it, love it, thank me later. We're gonna start by softening our poppy seeds. Put it onto medium-low heat. Bring it to a gentle simmer. All the dry ingredients together into this bowl. And onto the wet ingredients. Full fat sour cream. Cooled milk and poppy seeds and mix. Put our dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, then into our loaf, and then into the oven. We will see you later, baby. Bye-bye. Lemon syrup. Once all the sugar's dissolved, turn off the heat. Take right out of the oven. I'm gonna take that gorgeous lemon syrup. Mmm.